Struggling to add continuous line numbers in Word like this? Then follow these steps. First, you need to click here on the Layout tab and you will see the option of line numbers. Click on the drop down to show line numbers and here you will see different options. You just need to select the option continuous to get the continuous line numbers in Word and it will continue on the next page as well. However, if you want the line number to start from each page, then you can click on restart each page and then the numbering will start individually from the first line of each page. In case you want to remove the line numbers, just go to the line number and select the option none to remove the continuous line numbers in Word. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon